A step-by-step guide to reflection paper. What is a reflection paper? As the name suggests, a reflection paper reflects your emotions, feelings, an event, or a particular thing. It's your personal reflection on a subject. Here we have defined certain steps to write a perfect reflection paper. So let's start. Components of a reflection paper. Introduction, body paragraph that introduce the main theme, brainstorm ideas and your experience related to it, make connection between observations, and conclusion. So what are the do's and don'ts? About the do's, refrain from explaining the experience in too much detail. You do not need to repeatedly establish connection through the events. Don'ts, increase word count for the interpreting and evaluating the experience from your perspective. A model to consider, describe what happened, interpret the event, evaluate the benefits and effectiveness of the event. Plan. Some useful tips. Read some sample papers. Do not focus on the deadline, but the reflective process. Start with an outline and then keep on adding ideas each day. Don't get too personal. Keep your biases aside. Focus on the facts. Thank you for watching this video.